Today we're going to show you one of the best areas to sit at Aquatica if you have little ones and want to be in the shade all day long. When you get into the park, stay to your right and you're going to head to the rope drop area over by Kiwi Traders shown here on the map. Make sure that you get to the park early so that you can be one of the first ones to get going once rope drop occurs. As you proceed forward, Loggerhead Lane is going to be on your right-hand side. You're going to want to continue going towards the left. The area of the park that we're headed to is right next to the Walkabout Waters Kids Play area in the northeast corner of Aquatica. Some of the reasons that we like this seating area and why it's really great for kids is its central location next to Walkabout Waters, so the kids can play in the play area while you relax on a nice shaded seat. The location is also right next to a bathroom as well as Walkabout Pizza, which is very popular with the kids. Additionally, it is right near a drink refill station, which unfortunately there aren't a lot of in Aquatica. You're going to be passing Banana Beach Cookout on your right-hand side. If you have an all-day dining plan, this is a great location to pick up some chicken tenders. Our kids absolutely love the chicken tenders there. Another reason we really like this seating area is its easy access to Walhalla Wave, Ray Rush, Telemata Racers, and the Roas Rapids attractions. As you can see here, a lot of people overlook the seating areas over by Walkabout Waters, instead going to the chairs open at Loggerhead Lane. However, with kids, we really feel like this is a much better seating area. Once you make the left at Adaptations, you're almost there. You can see Ray Rush and Walhalla Wave coming up on your right-hand side. We're going to make a right-hand turn just past the Ray Rush. And that's it, we're here. You can see there's lots of shaded umbrella seats available, and the kids have very easy access into the water play area on the left.